So you got a bunch of haters coming to my page now, coming to my channel. And basically what they're doing is they're hating on me, and basically they're basically trying to discourage me. You know what I'm saying? From my welding journey at school. You know, I'm not the best welder in the world. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the learning process. I'm practicing. I'm learning. And there was some mistakes that I made, but I fixed some of those slight mistakes that I had going on. Some of those slight mistakes were my what's it called? My mask, my welding mask, shield, face shield, whatever you want to call it. Face mask, face shield, whatever, helmet, whatever you want to call it. You know, this thing on my face right here. The lenses, they were a little bit dark because one thing that I was doing that I was messing up on, one mistake that I was making was basically when I was welding, I had my face a little bit too close to the actual weld. Like I had my face too close to it, so it had my face shield was kind of like clouded up. Like I had smoke all in my face shield, and I never went to go clean the face shield, so it was like I could barely even see. You know what I'm saying? And my stupid ass, I was just being lazy, I guess. And, you know, but I finally just went ahead, and my face shield was like messed up. Something else was messed up with the face shield to where it wasn't even like fitting on my head properly. So I had to, you know, I had to bring my mask. I had to bring it to the teacher, and he had to take a look at it. And he helped me with it. He fixed it. He fixed the issue. He fixed the problem. So now that my helmet is fitting properly and I can actually see, I'm gonna make those adjustments. I'm not gonna have my face so close to the weld, so that way I don't get smoke all in the lenses of the mask, which is going to make my vision blurry, and I'm not gonna be able to see as well. But it made a major difference when I actually cleaned the lenses and made those adjustments to the face mask. So that was one mistake I had going on. So this next weld that I'm getting ready to work on Monday, I'm going to finish it up on Monday. I'll make those finishing touches on Monday. I'm going to take those photos, take those video clips, upload it, and, you know what I'm saying, people ain't going to be able to talk shit about my welds no more. My welds are going to be way better because not only am I going to step it up, because these people are motivating me, the haters and the trolls, they motivate me, but I also made those adjustments and fixed the mistakes that I was making. It was just a couple of little minor small mistakes. Like I couldn't even really see my weld because my face mask was messed up. But now that it's not messed up anymore and I can actually see clear, you know what I'm saying? And my face mask is fitting properly now that I got it repaired. It's over with, man. When I go back to school on Monday, it's going to be crazy. I'm about to go to work. Absolutely. Yeah, man, these haters and these trolls, man, y'all not going to discourage me. Y'all can't discourage me. You can't discourage me, man. Like negative comments, troll comments, that don't do nothing but motivate me, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm a prime example of let the haters be your motivation, man. I'm a prime example, man. If you want some motivation in your life, man, take a look at me, man. Don't never let a hater discourage you, man.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right. Don't never let a hater discourage you, man. Don't never let a troll discourage you. If you got a YouTube channel and you brand new and you just starting out, and maybe you got some people trying to discourage you, or if you got a social media in general and you got haters and trolls coming to your platform, or if you just a person and you got haters and trolls in real life playing with you, you know what I'm saying? It don't even matter, man. It don't even matter, man. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. Feel me? Don't even matter. Let them do their thing, man. Let it motivate you. Let it motivate you. Know what I'm saying? I'm the wrong guy for people to be trying to troll and trying to talk shit to. Like, I'm the wrong person you want to do that with. It's like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not that guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm the wrong person you want to do that to, because me, for those of y'all that been on my platform, y'all know how I do, man. I'm going to screenshot you. I'm going to put you on blast. And I'm going to flame you. And then I'm going to turn around and prove you wrong. You know what I'm saying? All at the same time. I'm going to do all of that at the same damn time, man. So I'm not the guy you want to troll. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the guy that you don't want to come to my platform playing with me. I'm not the guy you want to do that with. Because it's not gonna look good for you. You're going to get embarrassed. You're going to get roasted. You're going to get toasted. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not the guy y'all want to do that with. But I love it. You know what I'm saying? Keep it coming. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to just take my welding game to the next level. You know what I'm saying? I know for a fact that I could do a lot better than what I've been doing lately. And even my welding instructor then told me that a couple times. It was just because I needed to make a couple of adjustments to my welding mask. Like I said, there was some adjustments I needed to make. And I guess maybe I was just lazy and I just wasn't paying that much attention to it until it got too bad. And once it got too bad, that's when I was like, oh man, we got to do something about this. And my welding instructor, he helped me, and we made those adjustments. So when I go back in on Monday, I already started on my welding test, a new welding test that I have, and I got to finish it on Monday. And when I go to finish it, the improvements are going to be clear as day. Like, if people still got something negative to say about my weld on Monday, and it's like, you know, I don't even know what to say, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Even when you look at the welds that I had before, they wasn't even that bad. Like, my shits was clean. They're neat. For the most part, they're still neat. They're mostly straight. It's like, it's not perfect, but it wasn't looking terrible either. It's like my welds are all clean. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got all clean welds. You know, all my welds are pretty much straight, clean. Even when I got bad vision and my welding helmet is you know, busted up, I still got decent welds. Like, you can't even argue with it. All my shits still be clean. They're still neat. They're still straight. You know, but whatever, man. You know, what people don't realize is that YouTube, this is a multi-million-dollar business, man. It's like having a YouTube channel. Like, people get paid from this. People get paid from this. This is a business. This is like having your own personal TV channel. Because it's like, think about it, man. People don't even watch cable television anymore, man. This ain't the 90s. This ain't the early 2000s. This ain't the 80s. You know, people don't really watch cable anymore, man. People get on the internet. People get on YouTube. They get on Hulu. They get on Netflix. They get on YouTube. People watch YouTube more than anything now. YouTube is the new cable television. Literally. You could watch movies on here. You could watch TV shows. You could watch just regular people like me. You can create your own channel. It's just like having a TV channel, man. It really is. You got commercials and ads on here and everything. This is just like TV. Literally, it is. It is the new TV. It's the new TV. YouTube is literally just a way for, the name speaks for itself. YouTube is literally, the name speaks for itself. They're literally telling you that this is your own TV channel. Literally. So I have my own goddamn TV channel, man. So if you tuning in to me and you don't like what you see and you making negative comments, it's like at the end of the day, you still tuned in. That would be no different than me turning on a TV channel that I don't like. Let's say I don't like SpongeBob, but I decide to click on Nickelodeon and turn on SpongeBob anyways, and then I cry and complain about it. But I know good and damn well that I don't like SpongeBob. So what was the purpose of me turning on SpongeBob and then crying about it? You don't like SpongeBob, so why did you even click on it in the first place? Go somewhere else. Click off the damn channel and go. You should have never even clicked on in the first place. Come on, man. It's no different. And then it's basically like I just got paid. Think about it. You're helping me get to the bag. Every time you come to my channel and you make a comment, whether it be negative, whether it be positive, you're helping me get to the bag. Because once I get to 1K, I'm able to get money. I could put ads on my videos. Once I put ads on the videos, I'm monetized. I got money rolling in. I get a paycheck from Google. I get a paycheck from Google every year. So keep doing me a favor. Keep making your negative comment. Do whatever you want to do. Say whatever you want to say. Hit the thumbs down or the thumbs up. I don't care. You're still helping me get to the bag. Every time. And that's another thing people don't realize. If I don't like somebody, you best believe I'm never going to click on their platform. You're never going to see me go click on their channel. I'm not making no comments, positive or negative. I ain't making no comments on I'm not giving you no play at all because I don't like you. So I'm not supporting you in no type of form or fashion. But these idiots just seem to not be able to understand that simple concept.